So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I complete my ombre application process. So as you guys can see, I've already started. So let me just fill you guys in. So first and foremost, ombre is just a technique of blending colors, fading colors into each other. You could blend 2 colors, you could blend 3 colors, however many colors you want. It's just a matter of fading colors into each other. So the goal is to make the colors look as blended as possible. You don't want them to look color blocked. You want to get them to have a smooth fading look. So I've already started by placing my first color. We'll call that the tip color. So I've already placed my tip color on all 10 fingers. And when you're doing an ombre with just 2 colors, you want to make your tip color, you want to make that bead the largest bead. And you're going to place it directly under the tip and let it fall from the free edge. Now after you place your tip color bead, your next bead is going to be your most important bead, because not only is that bead going to build your apex, that's the bead that's going to blend the 2 colors. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that with the next finger I bead. So we're going to get a medium-sized bead. We're going to drain our bead so it's not too wet, and we're going to place it directly on top of our tip color bead and just drag it. And you see how it literally melts into the other color? That's the look you want to have when you do ombre. You do not want it to look color blocked. You want it to look perfectly faded. You want the colors to look perfectly faded into each other. And now we are placing our cuticle bead, which is the bead we want to have most control over. We don't want the acrylic running into the cuticle at all, flooding the cuticle at all, because that is how you cause lifting. And as you guys can see, yes, I like to do a lot of swiping just to make sure I got the perfect blend for my ombre. So now I'm going to show you guys how to do it on the last 5 fingers, step by step. So you want to get a medium-sized bead. You want to place it directly on top of your tip color bead. And then you want to blend, blend, blend. When you place it, let it sit first and then continue to blend it. And then with your next bead, you're just going to go in and keep building up the nail. You want to make it flat, not too bulky, and blend, blend, blend. Then you're going to grab your cuticle bead, and when you place it, you're going to make sure that you don't touch the cuticle. You're going to push it back as close as possible, and then you're going to blend it like this. So always remember to never make your cuticle bead too wet, because you don't want to flood the cuticle, which causes lifting. And always remember to never touch the cuticle with the bead. Always push it back as close as possible and then drag it so that you don't flood it. So now we're going to pick up another medium-sized bead. We're going to drain it. Then we're going to place it directly on top of our tip color bead. We're going to let it sit, and then we're going to drag it to blend it, blend it, blend it. So you want to place it directly on top for 2 reasons. One, to build your apex so you have a strong apex, and two, so that your blend can be proper. You want your blend proper. So the best way to achieve that look is to place the bead directly on top of the other one and blend, blend, blend. So now we're going to go in for our cuticle bead, and I want you guys to watch exactly how I place this bead. You see how I never once touched the cuticle? I only pushed it back really close to it. That's how you want to place your cuticle beads. You never want to touch the cuticle with your bead. And if you do, you want to make sure it's a quick cleanup. And that comes with a lot of practice. So it's okay if you guys don't quite have that down packed yet. Just keep practicing. Practice, practice, practice. So I let you guys watch and learn with the last one. So now I'm going to walk you guys through this finger. So you're going to get your medium-sized bead and drain it. Then you're going to set it directly on top of your tip color bead. You're going to let it sit for a little bit so it doesn't be too runny. And then you're going to blend, blend, blend. Once you got that all blended, then you're going to go in for your cuticle bead. And make sure that's not too wet and drain it. Then you're going to place it. Then you're going to place it as close to the cuticle as possible without actually touching it. And you're going to blend, blend, blend. And then we're going to get that quick cleanup. Swipe it like it never happened and blend with the rest of the nail. Now I'm just going in and filling in any small lumps that I see or anything that needs filling. And I'm just going to fill that in and finish up. So last finger, you guys, we got this. So we're going to get our bead, drain it, place it. We're going to let it set for a while. Pat it and let it sit. Then we're gonna drag it and blend. Drag and blend. Drag and blend. So now we're gonna get our cuticle bead. We're gonna drain it so that it's not too wet and runny. We're gonna place that directly on top of the bead we just placed. And we're gonna drag it and blend it. And actually, this is not our cuticle bead. This is just a builder bead. I thought it was. Sorry, guys. So now we're grabbing our cuticle bead, draining it so that it's not too wet and runny. And then we're going to place it as close to the cuticle as possible without actually touching it. Get it all placed and drag it and blend it. And that's really it, guys. That's really all it is to ombre, just getting that blend down pat. That's what you really want to focus on, getting that blend down pat. And like I said earlier in the video, it's okay if you guys don't get this right away. These techniques take time and practice. So just follow the steps that I'm giving you guys and practice, practice, practice. And I promise you guys will be good. I promise. So that's really it, guys. I'm going to leave a picture of the completed look after the video goes off. I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe to this video and let me know what you guys want to see next. Thanks for watching.